This Tefal 2-in-1 fryer has removable, easy-to-clean parts that are dishwasher safe, so you can relax after dinner. 1 spoonful of oil is all it takes to cook delicious homemade chips for the family with just 3% fat. You can enjoy your favourite fried foods in a healthier way without compromising on taste and consistency. The included recipe book features a vast array of different dishes that are broken down step by step for simple cooking and delicious results. It offers cooking inspiration when you're short on ideas. The rotating cooking plate provides the convenient 2-in-1 function that lets you cook 2 items at the same time. Embracing this extra cooking space gives you the flexibility to cook your entire meal with ease. The hot air system and stirring paddle in this Tefal 2-in-1 fryer ensures incredible cooking time after time.